Hi everyone and welcome back to another video. So whether you want to stop billing or just take a break, you can manage everything from your Amazon account settings. So first thing, how to cancel Prime Video membership. Okay, so go to account settings, okay, open Prime Video first, click your profile icon, select account and settings, go to membership or subscription, click end membership, okay, so you can see it here, okay, or click cancel subscription, depends on your region. Click it and confirm cancellation. Follow prompts, like you may see options like reminders, keep subscription, confirm cancellation. And what happens after canceling is you can still watch until end of billing period. After that, access stops. Okay, now how to pause membership if available. Okay, so go to membership settings, like same steps as I said before. Select pause membership. Okay, so if available, click pause subscription, choose pause duration, and not all accounts have this feature, just to let you know. Confirm pause, like confirmation, cancel, billing is temporarily stopped. Okay, access may be paused during this period. Okay, there are some alternative like manual pause trick, like if pause isn't available, cancel subscription and resubscribe later. So it works like a manual pause. Okay, some common issues like that you can't find cancel option, check under subscription settings. If no pause option is available, not supported in your region, if still charged, cancel before billing date. Okay, so thank you guys for watching this video and see you in the next tutorial.